So Shiba Inu and Robinhood back together again. Drop in the comments below how many of you were here with me on my channel when we were going through the whole will Robinhood list Shiba Inu? When will they do it? And all of the drama that was around that. Drop in the comments if you were with me back then. If you weren't, cool, welcome. If you're new to me, hit that subscribe button below. Please drop a like on the video. I greatly appreciate it. I cover Shiba Inu every day. And if you were with me, thank you for still being here. I greatly appreciate you. Okay, so here's what we want to talk about here. Robinhood has added 14 trillion SHIB and now holds 34 trillion, 130 billion, 34 trillion, 130 billion and change of Shiba Inu tokens. That's how many tokens they have. That's crazy if you think about that. And I've got some numbers here that I want to share with you that are going to blow you away. To kind of take a look at what's going on in all of crypto, it is this number right here, which quite frankly is not fun. This is a G-rated show. I have a lot more expletives that I would rather say, but I'm not going to. You get it. You know where it. So you and I right there. It's just not a whole heck of a lot of fun being in crypto right now. Why is crypto down? It is because of the SEC has delayed all of their decisions on the Bitcoin spot ETF. Yes, this does impact Shiba Inu. This is something that impacts all of crypto at the macro level, right? So that's what's going on. So guys, I was not expecting the SEC to approve these Bitcoin ETFs. When these Bitcoin spot ETFs are approved by BlackRock, Fidelity, Invesco, etc., Bitwise, Valkyrie, it is going to open a floodgate of a tremendous amount of money. Trillions and trillions and trillions of money will flow into crypto, any and all crypto, including, there you go. You get my point. Shiba Inu, right? It's going to happen. So right now, SHIB's down 1.8. It is what it is. Everything is blood red today. Again, we all know this is what is going on. Okay, so right here. So kind of looking for things to talk about. I thought this was worth noting, the fact that Robinhood, with all the drama we did have back in the day, is now one of the largest holders of SHIB as far as how much they are holding. Now you got to remember, Robinhood is effectively, these are custodial, right? Meaning they don't own all this straight out. They don't own these 34 trillion SHIB. They didn't go out and buy them. They're millions and millions of crypto people who buy and sell and who bought Shiba Inu on their app, on their exchange, bought these and are holding them there. Okay, so remember, get your crypto off of exchanges. I'm not saying anything bad about Robinhood. I would say this about CoinbaseCrypto.com. I don't keep any of my crypto on any exchange at all, period, zero, zilch, nada. It's all in cold storage and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so my point to you is there's 34 trillion worth 200 and basically $80 million at current valuation worth of SHIB on Robinhood. These are tokens of, again, that Robinhood has bought on the behalf of obviously their holders, and the people, they're the holders of SHIB on the Robinhood network. Okay, so Robinhood, did you know this? Robinhood is also the 5th largest Ethereum custodian. And they also, Robinhood has over 122 Bitcoin worth 3.2 billion. I didn't know all this, but this is something that's interesting. So this shows you that with Shibarium and all that was going on with it, is that this gives you a glimpse into kind of what was going on, because we can't always see, right? We can't see what's going on these exchanges. We can't see what they own. And I mean, we can, but we can't. You get my point. Okay. So look, this is like just 20 in the orange right here. Just 20 days ago, the firm held around 20 trillion SHIB. Now they hold 34 trillion SHIB 20 days ago. So that's a 70% increase in 20 days. Why? People were buying a ton of SHIB, and they're obviously still holding it on Robinhood, right? They were buying a ton of SHIB for Shibarium and all that. So there was 70% increase. They added basically 14 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in just 20 days. Okay, so that's interesting. All right, so that's what I got for you there. Let's take a look at what's going on with SHIB right now. We are in this scenario right here. I want to draw you this channel, and we are going to be here, guys, for a while. This is what we're going to be. So expect it to consolidate, expect it to go, you know, sideways. Let me move my picture up there. Expected to kind of do this sideways action. Okay. That's where we're going to be. All right. Just letting you know. Okay. So bottom line, that's what's going to happen. If you're new to this, this is my trading indicator, X1 algo with this momentum up, momentum down alerts. Like, look at these. I want to show you some of these. So you can see it's even firing. You could be buying and selling and making little trades here if you wanted. But look right here, this is on the 4-hour chart. So every one of these candles that you see here is 4 hours worth of trading data. So to give you some insight, look right here, after that candle all the way up basically over to that's about a 18%. So if you would have bought and sold on the momentum, bought here when X1 algo alerted you, and then sold a momentum down, that's 18%. It's an 18% return on your investment right there. So let's say you put 1,000 in, you would have got your 1,000 back, and you would have made 180 bucks. Here's another one right here. After there's another right there, fired there, and all the way over to that's about a 13%. So 18 plus 13, that's 31% return on your investment. Just doing some short-term trading. And like this was right here. Let's see this blue. This was the 9th of August to the 15th of August. That's what this software does. It gives you insight into when to buy and when to sell. There's a link in the description below that takes you to this page. This is my website. There's a discount code down there. With that discount, it takes that monthly number and the quarterly and everything to 37 bucks. Here's the thing I'm going to tell you. $37 divided by 30 days is $1.23. Is it worth you to maybe get a little bit better insight? And I just showed you on the SHIB chart how you could have made 31%. You could have made over 300 bucks or more buying and selling SHIB. Is $1.23 worth it to you to maybe get better insight into how you could buy and sell crypto? Any and all crypto, by the way. It works with any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any. Also works with stocks. Let me show you this. Let me show you the Apple chart. So here's the Apple chart. Here it is right here. This is my software, X1 Algo, right here for Apple. I want to show you this. So look, this is on the 4-hour chart for Apple. Here's Apple, momentum up right there. Fired. And then if you would have just held it, bought Apple where it said momentum up, it's about to start taking off, and then sold it at this first momentum down, 27% right there in blue. There it is, guys. There's the proof. So right there, you could have done a little trade even on Apple. Okay. So it works with stocks, crypto, Forex, commodities, you name it. You can use this anywhere in the world, and you can use it on any device. And oh, by the way, you can set it up to alert you with these momentum up and momentum downs. The alerts go through TradingView. So the alerts, you could say, oh, send me an alert to my phone whenever Shiba Inu has a momentum up, and or send me alert when it has a momentum down. So you can know when to buy and when to sell. $1.23 is basically what it would cost you. Is it worth it to you to maybe get a little bit better at trading? And oh, by the way, I have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. This is the thank you page. 6 or 7 videos. You'll be up and running in less than 10 minutes. Literally tutorials, step by step. How you do it. That's it. Okay. Again, is $1.23 worth it to you? Just try it. You have nothing to lose. You have a 30-day money back guarantee. Here's what I'm going to say. If you don't buy my indicator, buy somebody else's. Use an indicator. You need this to help you know when to buy and when to sell. See ya.